Ngani zakwethu ngithi nje ngokukhulu ukuphuthuma angikhulume iqiniso lodwa neqiniso lonke ukuthi i-judicial system of South Africa has compromised us, have shown some loopholes regarding the matter of Julius Malema. Julius Malema was sentenced 5 years imprisonment, direct imprisonments, and also with an option of the fine with other counts of judgments. Of sentencing. So leyo nto leyo iyodwa ikhombise ngokusobala ukuthi vele lo mfana wasiqhumisa isibhamu ke bukhoma edakwe utshwala futhi ngaphekwa lokho akazange uhloniphe umphakathi wase-Eastern Cape, akazange uhloniphe umthetho weyibhamu zaseNingizimu Afrika. Nathi sinama bodyguard futhi nami ngathatha isibhamu ngide ngidubule noma kanjani yabona ngabe indaba zalutho phakathi kwabantu kwi-rally. That was a highest of ukuphula umthetho leyo nto ngithi ke mina njengamanje u-Department of Justice, Minister of Justice in this country akasichazele ukuthi njengoba kunabafowethu abaningi kangaka nabo abanawo amandla abasemajele abafisayo aphila ama-sentence abo kodwa bona batholakala behleli phakathi ejele bebolele phakathi ejele imindeni yabo inawo amandla ukuthi banga-aphila yigwebo zabo ama-first time offenders kodwa akaze kuze kwenzeke, akwazi ukuze kwenzeke. Okunjani lokhu okwenzeka overnight angalali ngisho lodwa ilanga ejele, thina salala ejele, ubaba uZuma walala ejele, wahlala inyanga after iminyanga kade isipende ejele. So yonke le nto leyo ikhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi umthetho walelo lizwe ubiased, umthetho onamehlo, umthetho okwazi ukubuka ukuthi ungubani wakwabani, uholda yiphi position. Ekubeni asinawo umlando walabo bantu besempini oMalema, akazi lutho nomfana ngisho ipolitiki wayimukela njengesinkwa. There is no heroism in his blood, there's nothing, zero. So njengamanje mina ngithi lo mfana uyasihlupha njengamanje uthi amakwelekwela wanikezwa amalungelo okuhlala eSouth Africa ebefike ngokungekho emthethweni. Njengamanje usupporta indaba yokuthi ama-Nigeria waqhubeke akhanda ingane zethu zibe wamahosha, ama-Nigeria waqhubeke abekane abamakhosi. Ngithi mina la KwaZulu Natal uMalema ngeke alibeke lapha umsunu entsha, ngeke azalibeke la KwaZulu. Ngamxosha laqala wafika ngenkani waqhaza amafinyile. Angazi ukuthi uzofuna ukubonani-ke uMalema this time. Ngithi mina uMalema umuntu nje okuthiwa owe-EFF lapha KwaZulu ayiphele into ethu i-EFF la KwaZulu ngoba iyihlazo futhi iyisici ke siyamasha thina against abantu obokufika abamoshayo abaze bathuka ingane zethu beyibiza ngamavila. Ebengakafiki laba bantu kulelizwe sasiphila ngani, sasilinyelwe ubani. Kodwa namhlanje kuthiwa thina singabavila. Kusho le ngulube nalepoqopoqo lele ngathi ihawule inkomazi yayifela ewuswamizi ithi abantu bayavilapha bavela babangoze njani ngoba uhulumeni obadala ukuthi abantu bebengabe nayo ichoice ngaphandle kokuthi bahlale ekhaya. Njengamanje ngithi mina South Africans people uJulius Malema should be rotted in jail, not to be out ehambe etsaka enza into ayenzayo esebenzisa ipower engekho emthethweni. Abafowethu ababhadla amajele abanawo amandla okuphila mthini ngabo bona babengenabo ukuthi aphile same day baba release same day. You are setting a wrong precedence, I'm telling you, ukuthi lemgogodla enubekayo wokuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukugwetshwa namhlanje kuthiwa akaye ejele phakathi aphile namhlanje 12 pain namhlanje. Ngicela kwenzeke nomunye ngakusasa ukuze ngibone le consistency yenu ukuthi lo mthetho wenu awunawo amehlo.
Let me tell you something about this thing here, Julius Malema. Mauzazi ukuthi you are destined for greatness. Don't do things that would jeopardize your progress into getting where you need to be. Ngeke usebenze so hard, usebenze wathi bese wenza izinto ezizokubuyisela emuva. Bheka manje soyejele 5 years. Mina mfethu sisakhula sasiganga mfethu, mara njalo sasibanjwa amakhona mina mfana. Yazi iplan lenziwe lize execute bangicocela mangekho, but wathi kuba khona mina ngibanjwe. Why? Because that's a sign to tell you, bro, you shouldn't do things ezinjalo because when uyale labantu bazokuyisa le. Uyayibamba? Hayi ukuthi khona abantu abangayenzi into yenzayo. Hayi ukuthi khona abantu abangayenzi bayenza, they get away with it. The day uyenza uyabanjwa, it's a sign. ujona wasebhayibhelini mathi uyabaleka eNiniva washona eThalashishi yamlanda inhlanzi mfana imlandile kumbonisa mfana baningi abangayibalekela le calling kodwa wena mfethu wena you supposed to go that way. If you know that you are destined for greatness, avoid izinto nje ezisnacks ube islim because you know ukuthi uniyale phezulu bangazenza bonke mfana kodwa wena mfana ibhlungu lento lenzakala manje.
Xa kunamhlanje amazwi kaMalema wayesithi uzawumake sure that uJacob Zuma uya ejele abuyele yena namhlanje. Ngoku namhlanje kufuneka sixelwe ngepolitical unconscious. Kutheni zoba ipolitical unconscious xa inguye yena wayethe mnyama wathatha umuntu ofana nayo nebala lakhe wamake sure wakhupha amazwi ba uJacob Zuma uzawuya ejele. Wabiza oKhenny ngamabhantindi akekho umuntu othanda bale ibhantindi wabiza oGayton McKenzie ngamabhantindi. Namhlanje funeka udlala isazela xa ingabelungu ngoku iyenye irace funeka asaze xa umuntu wakokwena kwazi ba makabathi uzomake sure akusejele uze kuphenduleke ngamabhulu so be it. Nabo ngabantu oKhenny nabo ngabantu oJacob Zuma noGayton McKenzie ngabantu nabanye every South African no one is above the law. Dala abantu bebanjwa dala amabhulu ebambisa abamnyama nabamnyama ebambisa amabhulu aqaleke ngoMalema aqaleka ikho personal guys. Hayi ndifuna uyitho noba banganthuka bame EFF but ayiqale ngo
njani engenza ukuthi ngiyathemba niyaphila bafowethu angisiyo umuntu wama content angisiye futhi umuntu othanda ukubuka la ku TikTok kodwa ngizodlulisa nomlayezo lo ngidlulisa umlayezo ngoba nginokudabuka mina ke kwaZulu sazi ukuthi umuntu akashaya amaselele phansi sazi futhi ukuthi kwaZulu noma ngabe kuthiwa ingane yone kangakanani kodwa uma ibuyisa iguqa yathethelelwa ngifuna ukwenza le video kuzo zonke izinhlaka zikaMalema nalabo asondelene noMalema nabantu la abangabuka le video uMalema uyagwetshwa ugwetshwa 5 years imprisonment of which uma beaphila ethola appeal bengifisa zonke inhlaka kaMalema noma wonke umuntu osondelene noMalema njengamanje bakwazi umchazela ukuthi akaxolise eSouth Africa ngesenzo sakhe sokuthi iSouth Africa imatanise nama foreigner. Uma iSouth Africa ithi ayikuthandi lokho kufanele lokho yena noma ngabe yena umbaxambili umazwe mabili waseZimbabwe waseSouth Africa kushuthi kuyezwela ngoba nakhona ulegal laseZimbabwe akumele ayihlanganisa naleyo nto leyo kumele yena ayiqhilelanise na ongcono engakhulumi lutho ayithulele sakonakele ingane kwethu konakele futhi konakela kakhulu ngoba icareer yakhe izophela mina engikushoyo ngithi uMalema akaxolise uma eyithole aphile ephuma icala liqhubeka akaxolise esizweni saseSouth Africa abuye azoxolisa emakhosini akwaZulu abuye axolise kumkhwanazi ehlisa umoya uma engakwenzi lokho uzogwetshwa uMalema and kuzophela ngecareer yakhe uZulu kwazi ukumeseka kwaZulu umuntu akashaya amaselele phansi kwaZulu futhi akashaya umuntu masexolisile kodwa uma engakwenzi nalokho aqhubeke enza nje uzoboshwa angifuni qamanga uzoboshwa uyawudinga isupport kaZulu uyayidinga isupport yesizwe saseSouth Africa not uZulu kuphela kodwa uyayidinga isupport yabantu baseSouth Africa abazomsupport abazokwazi ukuthi aphumelele icala uma ngahlenze njalo uMalema akhuluma ispeech ukuthi uyayiqhelelanisa nalento yabantu bokufika njengamanje uma kukhona ukumthintayo kuzomthinta kweqembu lakhe kuphela kodwa kwalento yokulela abantu bezweni lokuhamba uyayiqhelelanisa nayo akusho lokuthi uyaxolisa kakhulu eSouth Africa ukuthi abantu uma bethu abayithanda into yena aqhubeke ebaprovoke neqembu lakhe uzophuma ejele abantu laba iSouth Africa South Africa ifana namanye amazwe ine spirit esi strong uma bentinto into bethu abayithandi balalele wenza ngalendlela abafuna ngayo kodwa wena uma uthi wena unekhanda lakhe eqinile wena ngeke uzwe ngabantu uzoboshwa uMalema. So le video ngithi ngicela ukuthi ozoyizwa ungayizwa ngeenga uzoyizwa ngeenga futhi noma uzoyizwa ngokuthi sizilima thina la kulungile kodwa khona uma uzoyizwa uyizwe ngalendlela engibeka ngayo ngithi mina akaxolise, axolise emakhosini, axolise kumkhwanazi, axolise kuZulu, axolise esizweni sonke ukuthi yonke lento ayenzile isizwe sithi singayifuni, sithi sidunguzele isizwe, sithi isizwe singayifuni into eyenzakala, yena athele usawoti esilondeni, ayixolisa, ayikhiphe kulento. Noma ngabe kuthiwa abafowabo laba abanye ama-foreign lapho but ayikhiphe kuyona, ayikhiphe nje, ayikhiphe, ayiqhubekele neqembu lakhe, ayikhankasele, azenzele ngendlela afuna yazenza ngayo, ayikhiphe ekuthenini kufanele ngaso sonke isikhathi asupporte aba-foreign, yethe naye ungumhlali wase-South Africa. Uma enze njalo ngeke kube khona inkinga ezoba khona ezolandela, kodwa uma engakwenzi lokho, namehla akhe kumlombo, angisimthakatha, angisilutho, uzo-aphila, kodwa igcina khonke uzobuyelela ejele. So yilokho engisho ukuthi nje kwaZulu umuntu akashaya amaselele phansi, kodwa umuntu fanele ayibone menephutha ehle bese kwazi ukuthi axolele. Uma ezokwenza kanjalo uzoxolela ngoba uyawudinga uZulu ukuthi umsupport kule nkinga asebhekene nayo. Asikho isizwe si-strong esiyokwazi ukukusupport sikwenyule ngaphandle kokwaZulu. Sengiqedile.
My country, people, fellow South Africans, this statement hits home. You know, and one thing, or the message from this statement by this lady, our sister, I hope the politicians can listen and pay attention attentively, that the people are awake, that the people are tired of empty promises. It's been 30 years, actually more than 3 decades, of democracy and empty promises. When the EFF started, they promised our people economic freedom. But today, the very same party have turned their back against the people of South Africa. And this woman is not mincing her words. You can tell that she's educated, she's got wisdom, she knows what's going on. And she's asking a very critical question that I want all of us to dive into this discussion. Ati, imagine if Julius Malema was the president of South Africa. What could have happened to them? How many of our people are feeling this way after all the exposure of what just happened recently and with everything that's been taking place right in front of our eyes? His statements when he comes to representing or talking about South Africans, do you blame what this lady, do you blame what the people of South Africa are now saying as far as this case is concerned? Of course, we do know that he still have, a big support on the ground, especially the youth. But the question is, had it been that he was listening to the cries on the ground, where would the youth of South Africa be? Look at the support that he's getting. He is the voice that was supposed to stand boldly and making sure that he fixes South Africa first, and then the rest will follow. Unfortunately, they don't get it, that charity begins at home. She is stating categorically on camera, without fear, without favor, that he has messed up South Africa. Do you agree with that statement? I am Queen Lebo Mkhize, mother of the nation. What's your take on today's sentencing? Shalom, shalom. Let's continue to pray for South Africa. Our children are void of purpose, void of hope. You can tell she's educated, that there's no hope for them. Do you blame her for uttering such statements? Tell me what you think on the comment section. Shalom, shalom. Mother of the nation, Queen Lebo Mkhize, I love you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. So people are reacting to Sigwebo lanikete sona uMalema. People are not happy. Ngiyandzaba yokuthi akalali esitokisini uMalema ufuna aphila. People think ukuthi it's unfair because why angalali esitokisini. People are saying ukuthi if it was just someone nje mundu nje nanoma ngangibani bebatombopha lo 5 years lo bebavele bomfaka ejele ngaleso sikhathi. So people are saying ukuthi yena uyahamba yolala ekhaya acetha kugweja because kuya-aphilwa kwade uyafa ungizwe mchunu uthi ngahlahle vele le EFF edodi and bekungameli kube nama-members e-EFF lapha e-KZN because bona they are fighting ukuthi ma-foreigners ahambe la South Africa. Bona ma-EFF members nemholi wabo they are defending ma-foreigners kokuthi awahlale eSouth Africa. And people are saying ukuthi it was very childish of Malema ukuthi eshayile siyasibhamu etulu ku-rally. People are saying ukuthi ngathi unokungaqabangi kahle nokuthanza kudemoshela i-career yakhe. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.